Report coming from Russia-Ukraine war. Russian soldier closes his eyes when drone appeared.
The clock shows 11 a.m. across the Ukrainian front lines, and we're bringing you fresh updates from the battlefield tonight. This evening, we have compiled exclusive footage that captures some of the most dramatic and unusual moments from recent drone operations. Our coverage includes everything from tactical vehicle strikes to the destruction of high-value enemy equipment worth millions of dollars. These clips demonstrate both the effectiveness of modern drone warfare and the critical mistakes made by enemy forces that lead to their defeat. Before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily battlefield updates. Your support helps us continue providing this important coverage. Now let's begin with tonight's first story. We kick off our new compilation with an amusing incident involving a Russian soldier. For some reason, he became trapped inside a dugout, and when the drone began its approach, he didn't even try to move, but simply managed to shut his eyes tight. This Russian foot soldier was either injured or completely worn out from exhaustion. He couldn't manage to walk down the slope normally and was forced to crawl on his hands and knees like an animal. Once he finally made it down to the bottom, he attempted to conceal himself in the tall grass, thinking it would provide adequate cover. But this strategy proved useless. The drone had already detected his location and was flying straight toward the soldier carrying a deadly payload intended just for him. In the next clip, a Ukrainian drone moves toward a vehicle and the person behind the wheel panics and swerves, violently causing the car to slide into a roadside ditch. The FPV makes a wide turn in the air and strikes the vehicle with a direct hit. Not all the occupants were able to get away after the initial impact, but the pilots made the decision to eliminate the vehicle completely with a second drone strike. The car erupts into flames, and within minutes, all that's left of it is nothing but twisted scrap metal and burned debris. A short distance further along the same road, the drone identifies another vehicle traveling in the identical direction. But the final outcome is exactly the same for this group. Even though, after being hit by the FPV drone, the soldiers inside managed to drive a bit further to reach a potential landing area, they were unable to hide themselves because the drone continued tracking their movements. Following several more strikes from additional drones, they found themselves without any functioning vehicle at all. The military transport burned completely to the ground, and one of the soldiers who survived received yet another explosive gift from above. He was most likely planning to search for ammunition or supplies inside that armored vehicle, but that decision turned out to be a fatal error in judgment. This particular shelter appears quite solid and sturdy. In my opinion, it would definitely provide protection against standard drone attacks, but the soldiers chose to leave it behind, which proved to be a serious mistake on their part. After the second massive explosion, another Russian soldier emerges from the wreckage and attempts to flee the area, but his escape fails miserably, and he ends up running directly toward the incoming drone instead of away from it. The subsequent footage reveals the distinctive Russian mobile radar station, designated P-18TK, which was successfully eliminated by Ukrainian pilots operating from the Ronin's Brigade. This sophisticated radar system costs somewhere between $2 million and $3 million and is rarely spotted on the battlefield these days. making it an exceptionally valuable target for Ukrainian forces to destroy. On that very same day, another incredibly valuable piece of Russian armored military equipment was taken out, namely the Russian Tor-M2 air defense system. The price tag on this system is approximately $25 million. And on that particular day, it was completely destroyed by Ukrainian drone operators. The loss of such expensive equipment represents a massive blow to Russian defensive capabilities in that sector. Moving forward, we observe two Russian vehicles driving along a road that appear to be armored transport cars. Their assigned mission was to provide suppressing fire against Ukrainian defensive positions so that the following group of infantry could advance and occupy advantageous tactical positions. Fortunately, however, the movement of these transports was identified well in advance while they were still traveling on the open road, and with the deployment of several drones, they were both destroyed, and the Russian command's operational plans in this direction were completely ruined. This time, the target was a regular passenger car, but the soldiers inside made the smart decision to simply abandon it and flee on foot as quickly as possible. In the next scene, we see a quad bike, and its driver also makes the wise choice to jump off the vehicle immediately and sprint toward the cover of nearby trees. What follows are multiple drops from bomber drones targeting enemy equipment and military personnel scattered across the area. We witness several bombs missing their marks, followed by one perfectly accurate strike. And just like that, the car is reduced to nothing more than a worthless scrap metal. In the following footage, another group of Russian soldiers is making their way toward their forward positions along a dirt path. But the moment they spot the incoming drone, they're forced to quickly reverse direction and head back the way they originally came from. However, not everyone in the group is fortunate enough to make it back safely. Some are caught in the open with nowhere to hide. Next up, we see the professional and skilled work of Ukrainian pilots who operate bomber drones with incredible precision. They release explosive payloads onto enemy positions and shelter locations. Every strike is accurate and demonstrates true professional capability. And finally, one last explosive gift is delivered to a Russian soldier who made the poor choice to hide underneath the trees, thinking the foliage would protect him from the drone hovering above. The coordination required for these operations cannot be overstated. Each successful strike involves multiple team members working together seamlessly. Reconnaissance units identify targets and relay coordinates. Drone operators prepare their equipment and plan approach vectors. Command staff make split-second decisions about which targets take priority. This level of teamwork is what separates successful operations from failed attempts. Weather conditions play a crucial role in drone operations as well. Pilots must account for wind speed and direction when planning their approach. Rain and fog can interfere with visibility and signal transmission. Temperature affects battery performance and flight time. Despite these challenges, Ukrainian drone operators have consistently demonstrated their ability to adapt and succeed under adverse conditions. The psychological impact of drone warfare on enemy troops is significant. Soldiers know they can be observed and struck at any moment, even when they believe they're safely hidden. This constant threat creates immense stress and fear. Many enemy soldiers have surrendered specifically citing their terror of drones as the primary reason. Others make fatal mistakes in their panic, when they hear the distinctive sound of an approaching drone. Training and experience make all the difference in drone operations. Novice pilots might waste ammunition on low-value targets or miss obvious opportunities. Experienced operators know exactly when to strike and when to wait for a better moment. They understand how to conserve their limited flight time and make every second count. They can read the battlefield and anticipate enemy movements before they happen. The technology behind these drones continues to evolve rapidly. Early models had limited range and payload capacity. Modern FPV drones can fly several kilometers and carry substantial explosive charges. Fiber optic drones offer immunity to electronic warfare jamming. Thermal imaging cameras allow operations in complete darkness. Each technological advancement gives Ukrainian forces another edge over their opponents. Maintenance and repair of drone equipment requires dedicated support teams working around the clock. Damaged drones must be assessed and either fixed or cannibalized for spare parts. Batteries need constant charging and replacement. Software updates must be installed. Controllers and video equipment require regular calibration. Without this behind the scenes work, the frontline pilots couldn't function effectively. The cost effectiveness of drone warfare is remarkable when you consider the numbers. A drone costing a few $100s can destroy equipment worth millions. A single well-trained pilot can eliminate dozens of enemy soldiers. The return on investment is unprecedented in military history. This economic reality is forcing military planners worldwide to rethink traditional approaches to combat. Looking ahead, the role of drones in warfare will only continue to expand. Artificial intelligence will enhance targeting capabilities. Swarm tactics will allow multiple drones to coordinate attacks. Longer flight times will extend operational ranges. Improved sensors will detect even the most carefully camouflaged targets. The future of combat is being written in the skies above Ukraine right now. If you found this coverage informative and valuable, please remember to subscribe to our channel for daily updates from the front lines. Hit that notification bell so you're alerted immediately when we post new footage. Share these videos with others who want to stay informed about what's really happening on the battlefield. Your engagement and support make it possible for us to continue this important work. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next report with more exclusive footage and analysis.